passenger car sales growth in India plunged to a 12-year low in February as high fuel prices, interest rates and low consumer sentiments took a toll. Now, with just a month to go before the end of the fiscal, industry body SAM says it was certain that car sales growth would be in negative territory for FY13. Yatin Mota joins us with the details. Yatin, take us through the details right now with the breakup of each company and what does this mean for those stocks?
Well, Faye, SAM generally consolidates the unlisted and the listed space car sales as well as the entire auto sales, and the data clearly reveals that the key players Maruti as well as Hyundai have been facing some problems as far as their petrol car segment is concerned, and that is the reason why we are seeing a big plunge in the car sales segment, especially in the passenger car segment, wherein the sales have plunged 26% on year-on-year basis, and also they have been the biggest falling in terms of segmental performance in the last 12 years. Also, as you rightly mentioned, we have the high fuel cost, be it diesel, be it petrol, and also higher interest rates which are impacting the consumer sentiment, and that is the reason why we have seen the slowdown in that segment. Also, if we talk about the commercial vehicle segment, we have companies like Tata Motors and Ashok Leyland which have been posting losses there. The domestic commercial vehicle segment has been impacted because of the mining ban and also the low activity on the economic front which has been impacting the commercial vehicle sales. Also, we have seen that because of the curbs that the government has done in terms of rural spending, and there are lesser discretionary spending with the rural people, and that is why two-wheeler sales have also plunged by nearly 3% on a year-on-year basis. Only we have the exports which have grown 13% on a year-on-year basis for the month of February. So clearly the auto segment entirely has been facing some bit of pressure. Barring the export side as well as the SUV side, most of the other segments have shown a slippage in terms of the year-on-year performance. So let's see really how does this data pans out going forward, because we also had Maruti last week which had cut the petrol car production for a day. So if this situation continues, more and more production cut as well as losses would mount as far as the listed space here in India is concerned.